Hi guys, Corinne Musser, Mucking Fusser here today. Just stopping by to say hi. I'm finally back to share so many video tutorials with you guys. It's not just going to be nail art, I'll also be sharing lots of other types of art and so even some gardening tips. So please enjoy this first video tutorial, which includes some super easy art you can do yourself, as well as a blue spiral water marble. Thank you guys so much for the support. Mahalo! So I did these nails actually based off of the art that I did. I'll put all of the supplies that you need in the description. So here's the first attempt that I did. I just did it with the paints that I have. It was like purple, blue, green. Didn't come out the best. Then I added some water to the paint, and it was a little bit too much water. So you can see it didn't blend the best. And I had black in there as well, so it kind of gave it a little weirdness, but it came out okay. And then I put not too much water in the acrylic paint, and with white, blue, and purple, yes, best combo. So here's that final result. I'm really happy with it, and I had to do some art based off of it because, why not? I mean, it's just so gorgeous. I also took the leftovers of the paint that I had and just did a kind of little swipey cool thing, which both are now the backgrounds of my phone. In order to achieve these blue spirals, I had to work on testing out a bunch of different polishes in the waters, from like Butter London to Zoya to OPI. Some of my polishes were a little older, so it just took me a little while to figure it out. I always test them out on a nail swatch with a base of white just to see what they look like. Items that you will need for water marbling. So first you'll need like a water marbling tool or a toothpick. Then something to take the polish out of the water. Also a 3-ounce cup with room temperature filtered water. You can get these from Walmart or Amazon. And then also some cleanup brushes, unless you have latex tape. You'll still need cleanup brushes too. I settled on using 3 different polishes, 2 from Butter London and 1 from OPI. These are great brands to use for water marbling. And then I'm using OPI Nail Envy as a base coat and a Butter London white. You will also need some Q-tips for cleanup and nail polish remover. One important thing I didn't picture here was masking tape. You need that too. After cleaning and prepping your nails, apply a base coat and then also a base coat of white. Never forget these 2 important things. I messed up a little bit, so I'm going to clean it. Yep, there we go. In order to protect your nail from the nail polish, cover it with masking tape, or if you have, then use liquid latex, which is also really easy to apply and take off. Now with your 3-ounce cup with filtered room temperature water, start dropping your polishes. The first one I like to kind of move out onto the rim of the cup so it attaches. You just kind of have to be slow and patient with it. You might need to do it a few times in the process. And then once you get a nice bullseye, take your tool and make the design, as you can see I'm doing here, and then gently go around in a spiral. Slowly take your prepped finger and stick it into the water on top of the polish, and then take the tool and get the rest of the polish away from the water. Now take your tape off gently and slowly because you do not want to mess up your design. To clean up your nail, just use the Q-tips and the cleaning brush to get all of the polish off. With the blue, it might be a little hard because it's blue nail polish and that happens. So after you clean it all, just put some top coat on and you are good to go. The blue spiral water marble was a little tough at times, but these came out better than I could have wanted, and I'm so happy to share them with you all today. So thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks for the support. Mahalo!